Hey everybody. Today we're going to be talking about histograms. Hopefully you have already looked at the Khan Math videos. This is just another little interactive lesson. We're going to talk about it really quickly and then you'll take your quiz afterwards and it should align with what we're looking at. So, histograms show data in intervals. Try to write intervals. So we're looking at intervals or ranges. They kind of look like bar graphs, but each bar touches the other, and they are similar to a dot plot because they represent the overall spread and shape. So spread and shape. So some examples that you might see are like decades, you know, like the 70s, 80s, 90s, decades, or you might see age ranges. But this example right here is National ACT exam scores. We have the number of scores and then the ACT score itself. So all we're going to do is look at A and B, and we're going to go through this and we're going to just examine this histogram. So how many scores were included in the data set? All you're going to be doing is adding up the histograms. So this is just above 15, it's probably 17. So we probably have 17 on this one. We have 30, 38. I know these little lines are kind of hard to see, so we're gonna guess. I know the answer is 100, but let's see how close we get just by eyeballing it. This one, I would say 27. If we had this piece of paper, we could actually see this is 15. And this is, let's see, like, let's say 3. Let's make this one 16. You know what? Because these are kind of hard to see, I'm just going to go through them with you because it's kind of irritating. So 1 through 5, if you see it, there's a tiny little one. Same thing here with 6 through 10. So we have one score that was a 1 through 5. We have one score that was a 6 through 10. We have 17 in our 11 to 15 range. 16 to 20, we have, it's actually supposed to be 34, so I didn't do that very well. 34. For 21 to 25, it's 28. For 26 to 30, it's 16. And for 31 to 35, it's 3. That's really all that we're doing with histograms right now. We could go in and we could give percentages, we could use it in other ways, but just for today, just for this week, we are just looking at histograms and understanding they show us data in intervals or ranges, and they're very similar to the dot plots that we did last week because they represent the overall spread and shape of the data. So just remember those things. Look at those, do that Khan Math practice if you haven't already because that's really helpful. And I think you get to even create your own. As always, let me know if you have any questions, thoughts, feelings. Let me know how you're doing. I'm worried about you guys. I miss y'all, and I hope that you're okay. And I know that online school is probably kind of frustrating, but y'all are doing awesome, and I'm really proud of you. Bye.